Adobe XD. Adobe XD powered by Adobe. This application has 4.2 ratings with over 11k reviews and 1 million plus downloads. Here are screenshots and interface of this application. Prototypes from the world's leading design tool in your pocket. Design your prototypes in Adobe XD. Experience them on your Android device. Access prototypes from anywhere. Make changes and see them instantly via USB. Browse or search all your artboards with ease. Save prototypes locally from offline access. Customize your preview experience. Now let's study about this application. Eliminate the guesswork by previewing your Adobe XD designs complete with transitions on native devices in real time via USB, macOS only, or by loading them as cloud documents. If you enjoy using Adobe XD, please share a nice review. It's really help. Now let's study the reviews of users of this application. Jesse Boy says it has an easy to use UI and make it easy to view your designs in simple way, though it would really love if if the app allowed me to actually edit my designs. There are times where you need to work but you don't have a device handy. Even if it was just allowed you to make changes, then you don't apply until you get an actual laptop. Daniel Kimani says, I love the app. Wish live preview would work for Windows users as well. Though if it does, then I would have having a challenge with it for the last 1 year since I downloaded it, and I am having challenges with the front font missing error with which appears even though the fonts have been activated in both phone and desktop, e.g. copper black. This can be frustrating, especially if you can't prototype using client's brand font, but overall I would definitely recommend it for the powerful tools it has. Anita Dogan says there are features like I like about XD, but I find Figma is far more flexible and easy to use. XD is a pain to move around in. There is no way to move left to right without using a keyboard shortcut, and I don't like that only artboards crop. Also, the tutorials are awful in XD. I have looked up 3 different tutorials on Adobe. None of them worked. I also cannot update my XD at work due to system limitations. This is never an issue with Figma. I will stick with Figma. A Google user says cloud sync is broken. Files currently are not syncing. The files are visible in Windows Explorer as well as on the web, but my Pixel isn't showing those files. Repeated refreshing isn't working. At least on iPad, it shows a blue star as top with an error message. Already tried switching networks and rebooting, still doesn't work. Google Pixel first generation running Android 10. Stephen Hubbard says it rubbish the desktop apps okay, but the mobile one is terrible, full of bugs. When previewing desktop files, it doesn't refresh the view, but when I change artboards, laggy and then freezes, causing a force quick to every time. Sad because the concept is really good, but the application from Adobe engineers is really bad.